Hi guys, today I'm unboxing my new mofang melon 4x4. Let us see the box. See, I got the sticklers and let's see the inside. We have the instruction to tell you how you do. We don't need to use because look like some people doesn't know how to make and see how they do. And this is the cube. It's so light and so smooth to move. I like this because it's my first 4x4 ever. And they're moving very fast. See, they're moving very fast, and the texture very smooth. And this is not so hot, not so heavy. When and the color is so good and okay. For the 40 degrees can the moving very smooth, very easily moving, easy to move, very fast. See, very fast. See, very fast. And the texture is not really bad lah. I like the more. I like this. Then another cube, this 4x4 cube. And here I have the GE stand, the white one, for standing cube like this. I like this because it makes you very fast and let you play this for the competition. I like this so much. And don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.